Are you looking for a gaming mouse for big hands? In this video, I will show you the 5 best gaming mouse for big hands based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Corsair Ironclaw RGB. Perfect for larger hands and palm grips. Lightweight at 105G and a contoured shape that's sculpted specifically for palm grips and larger hands. Corsair's most advanced optical gaming sensor yet. Native 18,000 dpi, adjustable in 1 dpi resolution steps, gives you total sensitivity customization and ultra-accurate tracking. Ultra-durable Omron switches, rated for more than 50 million clicks. 7 fully programmable buttons. Customize the way you play with powerful macros or key remaps, giving you an game advantage. The Ironclaw RGB gaming mouse features a lightweight design at 105G and a contoured shape that's sculpted specifically for palm grips and larger hands. The 4th product on the list is the SteelSeries Sensei 310. Custom TrueMove 312,000 CPI, 350 IPS optical 1-to-1 tracking esports sensor. Legendary SteelSeries Sensei ambidextrous design for claw and palm grip styles. Exclusive split trigger left/right buttons deliver guaranteed 50 million click durability. 2-zone multicolor prism RGB illumination for customizable lighting. The 3rd product on the list is the Logitech G502 Hero Gaming Sensor. Next generation Hero mouse sensor delivers precision tracking up to 16,000 dpi with zero smoothing, filtering, or acceleration. 11 programmable buttons and dual mode hyperfast scroll wheel. The Logitech wired gaming mouse gives you fully customizable control over your gameplay. Adjustable weights match your playing style. Arrange up to 5 3.6G weights for a personalized weight and balance configuration. LightSync technology. Logitech G LightSync technology provides fully customizable RGB lighting that can also synchronize with your gaming. The 2nd product on the list is the Logitech G604. 15 programmable controls include 6 thumb buttons. Fully programmable with G-Hub software. Dual connectivity toggle between convenient Bluetooth and ultra-fast 1 MMS Lightspeed advanced wireless technology. Dual mode hyperfast scroll wheel. Durable metal scroll wheel switches between hyperfast and ratchet scrolling. Programmable scrolling lets you apply key binds your power, your control. Conquer MOBA, MMO and Battle Royale gameplay with the tactically designed G604 Lightspeed. It's a multifaceted battle weapon so you can play longer, better, and with mastery. The 1st product on the list is the Razer Vipe Ultimate Hyperspeed. 25% quicker than competing wireless mice. Razer Hyperspeed wireless technology brings together extreme low latency and interference reduction for true wireless freedom. The lightest, zero compromise wireless esports gaming mouse at 74G. The Razer Viper Ultimate includes a 20K dpi optical sensor befitting the most serious gamers without the need for drilled holes. Faster than traditional mechanical switches. New Razer optical mouse switches uses light beam-based actuation, registering button presses at the speed of light. Ambidextrous design created for left and right-handed users with accessible, programmable buttons on both sides. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.